my new setup I have. Got this right here. Super, I got a new light. Took out my little discs lights I had and I put in this one here. It's only running about 90 watts, 100 watts. This one's 150. Not full spectrum, just regular shop light. So we got this here. That one's this is just really soft light because it's flowering. I don't even think it's enough light really. I don't know if you can see it up there. Don't even think, I might switch this light up just to provide more light, even though that's the light it needs, the red and the whites for flowering. That's what it says. But this one right here, nothing, and it's still moving. Back in the day, I would just throw bright white light, warm white light, put red light, whatever, put it in there. I think I might do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this is. Just nothing. Weighting it down, pretty much taped it together. Hanging this right here because this seems to bring it over a little bit. And kind of got the foil there. Show you the insides a little bit here. Got the phone right there so I can record what's going on, keep everything without having to open it. And I got more than a few in there, 3, 4 different strains. No soil. These are all the Kratky deep water culture hydro. So again, just a real ghetto setup. Gonna grow some phenomenal plants here. I'm really gonna go ahead and show you how this does what it does. All right, Can Man Can, coming back at you.